Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is the RM thing, okay? Now, okay, this is how you create the requirements, like child requirements and requirements. And then this is how it looks, okay? Like here, this picture.
Okay.
So basically you have the requirement name, requirement owner, status, description and priority. So basically entering all the requirements in there.
Okay.
So, and then you save the requirements and let me see. Okay, this is how you do. The collaboration is collaboration with RDM, okay?
Okay.
So traceability, you know about traceability?
No.
Or the
No.
Okay, base traceability is nothing but when you enter requirements in RM
Okay.
and when you have your requirements in quality center, you have to trace it. You know, you should have the option to trace in such a way that you should be able to get all the requirements that have been tested.
Okay.
Like, so once you have your requirements in RM, same requirements you have to have in quality center as well. Okay.
Okay.
So once you have those, then you can have bidirectional traceability.
How?
Meaning,
What is the connectivity between this one QC and RM? How do you connect?
QC and RM, you have that option. Okay, I don't know if the tool is not here, but you have that option where you can publish requirements to quality center.
Okay.
Okay, so once you publish them, you will have them in quality center, and then quality center, there you can manually go and create your test cases or do whatever you want with that.
Okay.
Okay, and then see that comes into integration.
Okay.
See, integrations, the current integrations you can do is so we are doing with Caliber RDM and we are doing with quality center.
Okay.
That's what we have done as of now.
All right.
Because and then they'll integrate Caliber RM with other tools also, like not tools I can say, but other systems, like they have other systems also.
Okay.
So they're trying to integrate with that as well. 1 second, let me see if there is any. So, that's all it is. This doesn't have much. This is just description and all. But when you go down, if you can download that and, just try to play around with the tool, that'll be more, easy for you.
Okay. So basically I should be knowing Caliber, RM and QC, how do they integrate, right?
What's that?
I should know how Quality Center and Caliber RM and how to integrate between them.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, learn about that.
Okay.
And then, what are the uses of having them integrated?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all it is. Nothing much.
Fine. Yeah, this will help me in exploring others. Thanks so much, Poonam.
No problem. All right.
Yeah. We'll inform you whatever happens. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yep.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.